going? Do you know? Here, let me see. Is that here? Let me see.
I got. Hold on. So let me see if it works.
You got 10 seconds recording. It's recording, I think. It's 11 strikes. That's what 11 strikes looks like, alright? This is what 12 strikes looks like. There it is, kids. The perfect game. It's the perfect game. Perfect. Send that one. Just push the record button, I think. Whatever you push to start it, to push that one. Yeah. Step the button. Push this one.